Hey bass heads, what's up? Alright, so show you guys what I'm working on right now. Oh yeah, just doing a little testing. I got me a train horn. It's supposed to do about 150 decibels. I'll tell you what, I just tested it and it hurt my ears bad. I don't recommend testing it right next to you. But this is what I'm running. It's got a tank down here. You got your motor. It's going to be running power-wise. It's going to be running off a 110 off an inverter. You got your pressure gauge, everything. So let's see what it sounds like here. Give it a little tap. That's definitely loud. Alright guys, there'll be more on the install of this later.
Can you feel the bass? Team Cloud Audio, for the love of bass.